Hi friends, welcome to cricksoft.com, and in this video we will talk about the ongoing series between England versus Ireland. So not many of you must have been following this series, and England, after playing test matches against West Indies, they now are playing Ireland, their neighboring country, and they have already played two matches, and both matches have resulted in loss for Ireland and one for England. So, if we talk about the first match, it was not a very good start for Ireland. They just made 172 runs, and England just chased it very easily in the loss of 4 wickets. So, if we talk about what these ODIs have contributed, so we will talk about the second match first. So in the second match, Ireland once again batting first. They made 212 runs, and England just made a mockery of that, with Johnny Bairstow stroking 82 runs of just 41 balls and chasing it very easily for the loss of 6 wickets in just 32 overs. So England have won the both matches comprehensively, but we will look out like what these matches have for us as a cricket fans. So we'll talk about the English team. Johnny Bairstow is back, and James Vince is being given chances at number 3 position, and then we have Sam Billings back. So there are quite a few players which England is trying. They are trying Saqib Mahmood also, and Moeen Ali and Willie is also back into the squad. Willie also took 5 wickets in the first match, so if I'm not wrong, he took 5 wickets in the first match. In the second match, he also had at least 2 wickets. He has let me check how many wickets he has taken in the so he has taken the 2 wickets in the second ODI. So it's a good comeback series for David Willey. If you see the David Willey, he is a kind of player who can hit some big sixes also. So if he can bowl with good line and length, and he can get some wickets, the batting which comes along with him can be a very good prospect for England in the limited over format. So that's why David Willey is still in the line for the one day team for the England team. And if we talk about the Ireland, there has not been too much to talk about, but there has been one player who has hit 2 half centuries, and these 2 matches are his first 2 matches. So already in the first 2 matches of his career, he has hit 2 half centuries. The name of the player is the Camphor, and he plays lower down the order, like 5th or 6th position. And especially I watched the highlights of the second match and the first match. He was very good. He looked as a very good stroke player. He played some innovative shots also, like paddles, like sweep, like Dilshan kind of shots, scoop shots, reverse scoop also. So he has a lot of variety in his batting, and he can be seen as a good inclusion, can be a good prospect for Ireland. He can also bowl also, and he has taken some wicket also with his bowling. There is one bowler who is playing Reece Topley. So Reece Topley from England, if you will see him, he will remind you of another player from Pakistan, which is Mohammad Irfan, and his action is kind of also like that. So Reece Topley is being given some chances, and he is very tall, and he gets the extra bounce from the wicket. So if we talk about the Adil Rashid, he's been enjoying his the play against Ireland. He has taken 3 wickets, and if you see Adil Rashid, he has a very good googly. So I remember like everybody must have remember that match when Adil Rashid got Virat Kohli out of a Jaffa. It was not a googly, it was a sharp leg spin, and the Virat Kohli in the press conference said that he has been playing Adil Rashid from his under 19 days, and he is very surprised that his turn has gone down, because he used to get a lot of more turn in his younger days. But still he is affected. He is an high arm action, and he is getting wickets for England as of now. And James Vince, looks very stylish playing those cover drives, is also seen bowling. Is bowling medium pace, and by the looks of the action of him, it looks like he can be useful. He has a slightly better action for a part timer. So he uses his height in the action. He gives the full flow of his hands and his shoulder into it. His speed is max 110 115 kilometers per hour, but he can be useful at times when the team wants to then when the team needs some bowling from the part timers. And as other than that, there has not been much in this series as of now, other than the camphor, Willie, Ben, Bairstow. Nothing more special in this series as of now. I think we can expect a big scoring, big high innings total from the England if they get chance to bat first, which has not happened as of now till in the series. So after watching two low scoring games, the fans really want to see some powerful strokes from the English batsmen, and they can only they can only display their full stroke making if they get chance to play in the first innings. So that's for our coverage as of what happened in the England versus Ireland series. We will get back to you when they will play another match, and we will analyze that match also. So we hope you like it, guys, and if you like it, then subscribe and like our channel, share it. So until another video, till then, it's goodbye.